Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so excited to share this beautiful transformation with you guys today. There's going to be tons of videos on this one because it is absolutely stunning and dramatic with how much we were able to make a difference on these stairs. So these stairs were originally covered in carpet. They had a very dark wood sides to them and a railing that twisted around with a round bump out on that right hand side of the bottom step. And so just cutting that off, getting these modern posts in place, and then coming in with this white riser finish is just gonna, it makes such a huge impact in the space. We are Step Up Vinyl, and we have made these stair nosings out of that same flat vinyl plank flooring that has been installed above and below these stairs. So the customers had us in to really completely transform their space, but this is the showstopper that is in their front hallway. So yes, we have a machine that bends the vinyl plank flooring into the nosings, the front part of the stairs. With these particular stairs, with them being open on the right hand side, they needed to be cut to cover that right hand side as well as the back of that part that's sticking out. And then they're also pie shaped steps, so they're bigger on the left hand side than the right, and they have a curve there. So these were all made custom on site to be a perfect fit because each step is a little bit different. As we get up to the top, you're going to get to see a different angle here of getting these into place. Obviously, they have been made and cut and were prepped for we're installing today. We use a PL premium adhesive to get them on, so you don't want to be walking on them for about 12 to 24 hours while it all sets. Getting this riser in place, and then we'll be doing that final step there. The vinyl at the top of the stairs was put into place with this nosing in place. You want to use your nosing as your starter so that it's going to be able to click in and connect to the rest of the flooring as you're going to see here. Getting that clicked into place, it's just going to add so much strength and stability there. Oh, absolutely beautiful. We were very strategic when picking the new posts to make sure that they'd have the same graining as what is in the vinyl plank flooring, and then getting a stained match to the flooring itself. And now we're going to be adding the metal spindles. So we chose to drill holes in the bottom and use an epoxy installation simply because the customers did not like seeing the screw holes at the bottom. So this way you can see we have those feet taped up so that once the epoxy is set, we'll be able to put those down into place and you're not going to see those screws at the bottom. We have those flex feet up at the top, and they've gone with just this really classic straight black metal bar. They went with the matte finish, which really just contrasts so beautifully with the light floor color and the white risers, and just gives it such a timeless finish that's going to last so incredibly long. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. You can see the back of those open stairs there, and reach out to us. Our website is stepupvinyl.ca. If you need nosings made, we do sell them there. Or if you'd like us to come take on your job, a custom job like this, you can reach out to us on the website. On our YouTube channel, if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get lots of videos with tips and tricks about taking on any aspect of this job yourself, whether it's laying vinyl flooring, whether it's installing on the stairs, whether it's installing the spindles or the railings. We've got it for everything, as well as what to do to buy your vinyl, how to know what a good vinyl is to purchase depending on your needs. So please make sure to check out our channel and our other videos, and we would just so appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button. So here's that finished product. Oh, I just can't get over what a transformation it is. We'll see you in the next video.
From a single staircase to a grand redesign, Step Up is the name, making homes truly shine. Best in town, we're leading the way. Call us now, don't wait another day.